This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make good Brawl Stars shorts. First, pinpoint what's currently popular in the game, like a new brawler or a hot game mode, to capture viewer interest immediately. Aim for a concise video length, ideally between 15 and 60 seconds, to keep your audience hooked. Each short should highlight one incredible play, a quick tip, or a funny moment, ensuring a clear and impactful message. This focused approach helps viewers quickly grasp your content and encourages them to watch more. To keep your shorts engaging, focus on content that truly stands out. Highlight those incredible high-skill plays, like a perfectly executed triple kill or a last-second clutch victory that turns the tide. You can also offer quick, valuable tutorials, perhaps demonstrating a unique gadget usage or a powerful brawler strategy in under 30 seconds. Don't forget to include funny moments or unexpected game glitches. These often go viral and are highly shareable, boosting your reach significantly. Polished editing is crucial for captivating Brawl Stars shorts. Employ dynamic camera angles and slow motion effects to emphasize those epic plays, making every hit and dodge feel more impactful. Integrate engaging sound effects and upbeat background music that matches the game's energy, keeping viewers immersed. Additionally, use clear, concise text overlays to highlight important stats, brawler names, or funny reactions. This visual information helps viewers understand the context quickly, even without sound, and keeps them watching for the full duration. To maximize the reach of your Brawl Stars shorts, strategic optimization is key. Always use relevant hashtags such as #BrawlStars, #BrawlStarsShorts, and specific brawler tags to help new viewers discover your content. Consistency is vital. Aim to post at least 3 to 5 high-quality shorts every week to maintain momentum and keep your audience engaged. Finally, actively engage with your viewers by responding to comments and questions. Building a strong community encourages repeat views and fosters loyalty, growing your channel over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.